To create a company announcement flow, click Add New Flow from the left menu. Select the company announcement template. Add your participants. Participants are the people who will be posting the announcements. You can adjust the participants at any time if you want to add or remove people. Select who has permission to view the announcements. You'll likely want to select entire organization so that everyone in your company can view and interact with the announcements. In the content section, you can customize the prompt to say whatever you'd like, or you can go with the prompt we provide you out of the box. This is the prompt that the participants will see when they post their announcement. Before creating your flow, you can update the description to let all of your viewers know what this flow is about. Once everything looks good, click Create Flow. Now you can start making announcements whenever you have them.